I'm taking the Krylon Metallic Brilliant Silver spray paint, and I am going to spray paint this love sign that I bought from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini revamp video, and yeah, so I'm just going to spray paint it, and make sure you're in a well ventilated area so you won't be inhaling all of those fumes and things like that. So I'm just putting the spray paint on it, doing a evenly coat, and I think I did 2 coats. So here is the second coat, and just giving a close-up. And now I am spray painting the back as well for a full coat. So guys, here's the before and here is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.